This is the Blink Mini 2, and watch till the end because this camera has a feature that I'm questioning why is it there and why you need a subscription for it. Okay. Alright, first excuse my right eye, it is swollen. It's just because of the allergies, man. It's springtime. Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we are going to review and check out the Blink Mini 2. This is now weatherproof compared to the original one, and with an IP65 rating when paired with a separate weather-resistant adapter. So I'll be doing the testing outside, and just like the original Mini, this is a plug-in camera. Unfortunately, this still only records up to 1080p resolution and at 30 frames per second. It has a 115-degree horizontal and 59-degree vertical field of view. This has a wider field of view compared to the original Mini. And this connects directly to your Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz only. So this doesn't use the sync module, but you can add it to one for shared scheduling and local storage. If you have set up your Blink system with local recording, then you can add this to your system. Also, you can set this up as an indoor cam, and if you have the Blink doorbell, you can add this Mini 2 to be the chime. And I think you can do this too with the original Mini. Now, to use all the features of this camera like person detection and extended live view for up to 90 minutes, you will need a subscription, which starts at $3 a month per camera or $10 a month for unlimited Blink cameras. If you were grandfathered in with the older Blink account, you can also add this Mini 2 to your allotted cloud recordings. And this is compatible with Amazon Echo devices. Inside the box, you will get the camera. We have the camera lens, spotlight and infrared, mic and status lights. And on the back right here is the speaker. And we have the USB-C port to power up the camera. You can pop it off from the stand like so, and we have the reset button here in the bottom. What else is inside the box? We have the USB Type-C cable, 6.5 feet. Power adapter, 5 volts, 1.5 amps, and we have some paperwork. By the way, you can also attach the mount from the back like so for a wall install. And I also bought the weather-resistant adapter kit. This has a 13-foot cable with the USB-C plug having a rubber sleeve for weatherproofing. And it also comes with mounting screws and a few screw-in wire clips. Time to set this up. Open up the Blink app, click the plus sign, mini cameras, scan the QR code which is on the back of the camera. And I'll add this to my system. Plug in the camera. Wait until it is blinking blue and discover device. Choose your Wi-Fi network and type in your password and click join. And wait until it is successfully connected. And your free trial will automatically be activated. Time to install this, and you can install this in a wall by screwing in the mount using the 2 screws. Put in the mount sleeve and use the back mount on the camera to pop it in onto the mount. You can also install this in a ceiling or under the eaves by using the bottom mount, and you just need to flip the image in the settings in the app. If using the weatherproof adapter, make sure the camera is within the 13-foot length. Screw in the adapter using the included screws. It does come with only 4 screw-in cable clips, so you will definitely need more for a cleaner looking wire management. Plug in the adapter to the outlet and plug in the USB-C plug to the back of the camera. Let's check the settings in the app. When you open up the Blink app, you will see your saved snapshot from the camera. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up decently quick. In here, you can turn on the spotlight, which will turn the camera in color mode. You can save the live view, start two-way talk, which is full duplex. Click more, and if you have a subscription, you can have the extended live view option of up to 90 minutes if that's what you want. Gear icon for the device settings. Motion settings, recording types, and if you have a subscription again, then you will have an option for person detection. No animals or vehicle detection. Adjust the motion sensitivity from 1 to 9, and motion zones, and you can zoom in by clicking advance. You can also add privacy zones up to 2 zones. Now, even that this camera is wired, it has a retrigger time or cool off, and not just on the notification, but on the recording itself. And I'll give you my thoughts on this in a little bit. Video settings, and as you can see, per event, you only have a limited recording length of 30 seconds. Then add the 10 seconds of retrigger time, and this just means you're not going to get the whole motion event. And as to video quality, best is 1080p at 30 FPS. And look at this, they have a saver mode, and it says extends battery life. Which battery? This is a plug-in camera. Flip video, which I did because of my under the eaves install. Night vision options. Infrared intensity, low, medium, high. It also has a photo capture option like with Ring. And this takes a snapshot
Only once per hour though, even when wired. Lighting settings: adjust the spotlight brightness, timeout after 30 seconds or up to 10 minutes. Activates when motion is detected, and same timeout options. Now time to do some testing.
So this is the video and audio quality of the Blink Mini 2 video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let me hand test. So this is the video quality of the Blink Mini 2 at night, and this with its spotlight turned on, and this one looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the video quality of the Blink Mini 2 at night, and this with its spotlights turned off, and it has the one infrared LED and in a max setting. And this one looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Blink Mini 2, and I'm on my 5G cellular network, and it is 201. So let's check it out. That's pretty quick, but there's no rich notification. But when you click on it, it should open up the live view and loads up pretty quick. Cool, 201. Now the Blink Mini 2 has a retrigger time, and the minimum is 10 seconds. So it is 202, it's still less than a minute. And let's see if it's gonna get triggered again. It should be, it's past 10 seconds. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Cool. Now we are going to check the maximum detection distance of the Blink Mini 2, and I've set the motion sensitivity to the highest and person detection only, 40 feet. Yeah, got it. Cool. 40 feet. So it's able to detect me at 40 feet. Nice.
This is the audio quality coming out from the Blink Mini 2. This is the audio quality coming out from the Blink Mini 2. The Blink Mini 2 doesn't have a siren. Well, what do you think? If you are a Blink user and you like Blink, you will most likely like this one. That's good that it has an option to be a chime when added to the Blink doorbell. Also good if you do local recording using the sync module too, you can also add this camera. And they made this weatherproof. But if you're looking for a plug-in or wired security camera, there are a lot of other and way better options. I also complain about this with their original Blink Mini because these Blink engineers thinks that the Mini cameras are battery powered. They just slap the settings of their battery-powered outdoor cams to this Mini. Actually, the Blink 3 or the Blink 4, you can even set the recording time to up to a minute. And I don't know why this one only has 30 seconds. And the competition records the whole motion event or even 24/7, and also recording in 2K resolution. But this Blink Mini 2 is still stuck in 1080p. Person detection is in a paywall. And also this extended live view. I don't know why you want to stream it for 90 minutes.
All right, so I'm really intrigued on this extended live view feature of the Mini 2 that it needs subscription. So I'm on live view, on extended live view right now. So this, I could stream this for 90 minutes. But the thing is, if there is any motion event, it's not gonna be recorded. And even if I manually try to save the live view, it will not let me. It says save clip not available when in extended live view. So what the heck is the purpose of this?
How about just extending the recording time or just have an option for no re-trigger time and keep recording while there is motion? I think that's much better. I'm going to call it. Now this is currently 40 bucks. Give it a couple months, they're going to lower this down to 25 bucks. And probably at Prime Day, it will go down to $19.99. And I'm the one paying full price for this one.
Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.